Yeah.
Refill magazine darts 12 max.
Which magazine is 2?
That. Well, anyone, it's the same thing. Filling said it has the line, see the line, so we have to go that way. You want to help me get these things out?
Yeah.
You want to do 2 or you? You're doing it.
Loader.
Do the loader. Should we tell people to subscribe to our channel?
Yeah, please subscribe.
Let's say it with heart. I mean, really,
Please
you really
subscribe.
gotta sell it. And that's still not selling it. You're not selling
Please,
it.
please subscribe.
That's a little better. Now we're talking. I mean, they gotta have a feeling of guilt associated with it if they don't. If they do subscribe, what do they get?
I will try to make merch.
All right, it's great. Merch.
I'll try to make
Nate,
merch.
the PROKID merch. Okay.
I just don't know how I'm gonna. Oh wait, my cousin can be my merch.
That's true.
Yeah, she could be my merch.
We have a merch lady.
Yeah, she does make a lot of costumes.
All right, well, we'll put her in charge of the merch. Hang on, let's see where it goes. That thing goes on the back. You see it? You gotta look at the pictures.
Yeah. Okay. So first we put on this.
What that? Don't need that.
So there's a little switch right there. So when you flip that, then it's green.
Oh, look, you can see it. Show it to them.
Yeah, when it's green.
See it?
Yeah. So
There
when
it
it's
is, they
green.
can see it.
So at nighttime you put on that, but when it's not nighttime, you just turn it off.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Pew pew.
All right.
Nice.
Got the little infrared on. Why you got a little red dot on your chest? Oh my God. That's right. You got the mag.
So I'm gonna turn on.
People see. That's a little green light.
I'm gonna put them on here.
Put the mag in, baby.
Okay.
Under your hand. Put the mag in, baby. Let's go outside and shoot it.
I'm gonna reload the other mag, and then let's do it. And this. Oh, this thing actually magnifies.
Does it?
Yeah, it actually magnifies. It
Cool.
magnifies. No other Nerf gun actually.
What can we shoot?
I'm gonna go for the car.
Go for the car.
Hey, not bad.
Not bad. Push your button. Very good. First time we're ever reloading without. Usually we like to leave our darts on the floor
Not all the
and
time.
run in the house.
Not all the time.
Not all the time.
Not all the time.
Every time.
Not all the time.
And let's see if we can get all 12 to come out pretty quick. Are you ready?
Okay. That's it.
That's it. That's pretty quick. And it didn't jam.
Yeah, all these.
Yeah.
This is how small this Nerf dart is.
Show the other one up so people.
And this is how big the other Nerf dart
Right.
is.
This comes with a smaller bullet.
Very small.
When's the last time we made a video
About down the. I actually remember.
down at the beach with your
monster truck.
monster truck?
The last time we made a video.
Check out the what was that? A shark truck.
It's a Megalodon.
Nathan the PROKID Megalodon shark truck. Check it out. That's our last video.
Last video.
You can see the difference between Nathan and me. I probably got a little fatter. Nathan got a lot taller.
I was 5 then, now I'm 8. So 2 years have passed since I made a video.
Yeah, and you know he's not the strongest math magician.
But I'm the strongest kid. Like I literally beat it up my dad before, and he was like, "What?"
Man, don't tell our secrets live.
It's cute. And my dad is a little bit. He one time my dad sticked when we were fighting. I had a loose tooth. My dad sticked a foam sword up my mouth and blocked it out.
Yep, by mistake, of course.
No, probably on purpose.
No, it was my mistake. Hang on. Go ahead. Hang on, let me put my glasses on. All right, go ahead, shoot. Do that. You missed. Oh, there you got it. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. That thing stings a little bit. Oh, yeah. Power.
Got it.
Power. Nice. Good one.
Thanks. Like I said, drop a like.
Look, there's a